So, welcome to this part of the training. This training's focuses a lot on how to grow and scale your business through sales and opening up distribution channels and getting traffic to your website, so that you have the opportunity to convert more clients and just build your business in a predictable manner. So, there's a lot in this training, obviously. As you can see here, where are we here? Where do we start? Um, Sorry, I'm in the wrong section right now. So I'll just go out here and just show you it's a pretty big part of the training, sales and traffic, which covers a lot of stuff. It's all in here, and there's tons and tons of stuff in here on how you can open up so many distribution channels to get a lot more clients. So the platforms we're going to cover is Facebook advertising. So we'll show you the strategies to use, how to set up your Facebook ads, how to get going with that. Google AdWords, so you can set up your Google AdWords and the specific strategies you should use there. LinkedIn and how you can generate tons of leads out of LinkedIn for new residential, big residential contracts and commercial contracts. Craigslist, how you should use Craigslist properly and the changes there and what you can be doing for that. Branded strategies, so a bunch of different branded strategies which don't cost you a lot of money, where you can turn your staff and your clients into an army of marketers for you, and do some stuff where you turn one-time customers into long-term clients. We're going to cover SEO, so you can boost your website up in rankings, so people are finding your business and not your competition. So you're getting a lot of organic traffic and people searching for you and finding your cleaning company, and probably a few other distribution channels there. So altogether, there's, gosh, I don't know, I want to say about 7 different distribution channels. Plus, we're going to cover things like Yelp, Angie's List, Nextdoor, Home Advisor, and all those different platforms, and weigh the pros and cons, the do's and don'ts, what you should get involved in, what you shouldn't get involved in there, so that you're managing the money you spend on your advertising and marketing effectively, and that you're, getting a massive steady stream of leads into your business, so that you can grow and scale your business predictably. Branding's a big part of that. A lot of people miss that one, in terms of how you project your company, and we talk about it a lot, but we're going to cover all that. And I look forward to hearing your success stories as you grow and scale your business, and get all these traffic sources opened up and all these distribution channels, so that you can grow your business to where you want it to be. If you have any questions about this section, reach out to me, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks so much.